The wet-on-wet staining technique, also called one-shot, combines glazing, staining and characterization in a single firing step. Prepare the restoration surface as described in the technical guide, ensuring it's smooth and free of sharp edges or ridges and completely clean of grease and debris. Before use, thoroughly mix the IPS e.max Ceram Art pastes in the jar with a clean, metal-free spatula. This allows you to achieve a uniform consistency. If desired, different pastes can be blended on a mixing pad to get an even greater variety of shades. The pastes can be diluted with IPS e.max Ceram Art Universal Liquid to adjust the viscosity as needed. Make them more flowable for larger surfaces or creamier for precise detailing. Start by applying an even, undiluted layer of Magic Glaze Fluo on all dental surfaces that will be customized. Continue directly with the application of the shade dentin and incisal pastes. No intermediate firing is required. Use the shade pastes to match the tooth shade exactly to the desired shade. With the essence paste, you can add specific details such as cracks, fissures, ridges or shadow areas to create a more vibrant, lifelike appearance. The materials stay exactly where applied and do not drift. Illusion pastes are used to intensify the light refraction effect or reduce the brightness value in selected areas, creating an authentic play of light similar to that seen in natural teeth. For the gingival area, apply the Illusion Gingiva pastes directly. No prior wetting with glazing material is required. A glaze layer is not required since the Illusion Gingiva pastes produce a natural self-gloss. First, apply Illusion Gingiva base to the gingival area. Then continue with the characterization using the other Illusion Gingiva pastes. This is followed by stain and glaze firing. Refer to the technical guide for the correct firing parameters. In the Programmat furnaces from Ivoclar, the firing program is already pre-installed and ready to select. The result? Aesthetic, natural-looking restorations with detailed characterization, achieved with just one firing cycle.